In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make vertical text in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website right here, I want to transform this standard looking text into vertical. Alternatively, if you don't already have existing text, I'm going to show you how to add one and make it vertical. So let's head over to the Wix editor, which is also where I want you to go. Now, let's just suppose that you don't already have an existing text. What you need to do in order to add it is head over to the left-hand side here and click on Add Elements. Then I want you to click on Text, which is right at the top here, and then insert a paragraph or whatever text you want to make vertical. Now, in order to make this text vertical, what you need to do is head over to the text and click on it to highlight it. And then I want you to click on this Edit Text button right here. And then I want you to scroll all the way down until you find this vertical text option right here. Click on that, and then I want you to check this box right here, and I'll automatically make the text vertical. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. And from now, you can basically put it pretty much wherever you want on the screen, and it will be there. So let's take a look at what that looks like when I preview the website. As you can see, the vertical text is now there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make vertical text in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.